gardens, and there I am. My AC is giving me trouble on a hot day, so I decided to look and see what's going on. I hook up my manifold gauge, as you can see, and here it is, the reading I'm getting with the AC turned off. Now, this is a brand new car I bought from overseas. Well, in our country, we would normally call it new car, but this is an investment I would have made, and in our country, we'd call it new car, but it's foreign use. So I'm going to turn on the AC, and when you turn on this AC, basically what you get is hot air. All right, so I'm going to turn on the AC. As you can see, AC is on. AC is on. I'm going to show you. Fan is running. Fan is running. Now look at the gauge. So basically, what my interpretation is that this thing is leaking refrigerant because the AC technician recently would have vacuumed the system, and the AC technician would have put back refrigerant. But somewhere we are having a leak. Now, if you come down here, if you see it, look carefully. I suspect this is one of the, you see there? Look at that, look at that. I'm not an expert, but this could be one of the issues where we find that we have a leak from this area. So, share in the comment section what are your thoughts, and let's see who can diagnose what this real issue is. See, still blowing hot here. AC turn on, we blowing, but we're not getting any AC. If you want to know where I'm at, we go up to lovely area where I'm at. People who are spending and having a good time in the gardens. Yeah, so that's where I'm at. Brand new car, according to our standard, but AC trouble within a couple of weeks. So be careful when you're buying these cars. They said the AC is all good and working based on the checklist, but you don't know until the vehicle come and you start to encounter your own issues. Of course, it's hybrid on the bezel. You see,